You ever get a bill from your gas company and you think to yourself, F your face, I spent this much. There is no way in hell that I spent that much on gas. So you imagine if you were a large customer like Costco or just a big store that uses a lot of gas. They probably get bills and they think to themselves, there is no way we could have used this much. Well, the way that you calculate how much gas is used is by using magic. No, actually what it is we use something called an ultrasonic meter, which basically means that there are sound waves sent through the gas at a super fast. You're talking like, at least 0 to 60 in last week. Super fast. And that gives us a calculation. I can explain all that other crap later. So the ultrasonic is connected to something else called a total flow that comes from a company called ABB. ABB also makes a gas chromatograph. Lots of big fancy words, but basically what all of this does is this all works together to take almost a fingerprint of the gas the gas that comes through our line, and that fingerprint, each different type of gas that comes through, we know approximately, give or take, what types of things are in it: methane, pentane, hexane, whatever. It has a fingerprint. Each group or each formation or wherever the hell it's coming from has a fingerprint. So we can take that fingerprint and say, okay, this is coming from there. This is coming from there. We know exactly, okay, this is when their gas stopped flowing through our line. This is when our gas started flowing through the line. And we do that with this chromatograph. And the chromatograph uses a small bottle we call our cal gas, calibrated gas. It comes in a specific quantity. We know exactly what is in here because it's been certified by magic scientists, and they know exactly what's in it. So we take that along with helium, and we pump it into this machine right here. So as you can tell, this machine, if you look at the alarms, if you can see that there, currently there's no alarm. It's running, pulling stream 1, which is coming off this main pipe, with the time. So this machine will break down each one of the constituents or parts of the gas, and it'll tell us, okay, this is what was in that mix. This bad boy gives us a flow and says, okay, we're flowing 5,000 a minute, or 5 million a minute, or whatever it might be. That information for the total flow comes from that bad boy, which is the ultrasonic meter, and that one has to do with the sound waves going through gas. This shiny thing here is the moisture analyzer. This tells us if there's any moisture in the line, if for somehow water is in the line and we need to shut down our operation and basically run it back through the cleaning process. So when you wonder, did I really spend that much on the hot tub? Yes, those parties you keep having, or your kids who are in the hot tub who let it run all weekend long, yeah, you really did waste that much gas.